Indeed, the sizzling summer season promises a lot of exciting surprises, but mostly for people who are in constant lookout for it. It is that time of the year when we need to pull out from our wardrobe those trunks and bikinis to serve their purpose of making us look good while having fun under the sun. But wait, you still don't have a great location where you can build sand castles on? If you're after a mix of fine Morocco accommodation and alluring white sand resorts, then hit Agadir hotels and beaches. The Agadir hotels and beaches are waiting to fulfill your dream of a perfect summer getaway. However, once booked at one of the many Agadir hotels near the city's fantastic shoreline, don't just satisfy yourself with building sand castles and soaking up under the sun. Instead, look for better ways to spice up your stay in this bewitching southwestern Moroccan city. Below are 3 terrific things to do in Agadir that can lead to a perfect summer vacation. The coastline surrounding Morocco's Agadir area is brimming with great spots where you can ride your surfboards on. In 2006, the Agadir shores played host to great surfing talents such as Billabong's WCT professionals Taj Burrows and Sean Cansdell. The world-class surfing conditions found in the coastline of Agadir draw many surfing fanatics, especially during summer when small waves are around. These mild waves are perfect for beginners targeting a pro title someday or just wanting to have fun. Traveling with no surfboard on hand? Do not worry. Some Agadir hotels offer surfing facilities that you can avail anytime you can't resist to ride the tempting Agadir waves. Travelers who are running low on budget but still long to have sumptuous meal while enjoying summer at Agadir, have no fear. The new Talbourats restaurants are there to save your grumbling stomachs from hunger. For as low as 35 dirhams, you can get a pleasant meal that is enough to get you ready for more fun under the sun. Many travelers in Morocco can't help but come back to New Talbourt because of the sumptuous meals served before them that cost very little. Although the restaurants in this food haven serve mostly Moroccan cuisines, you can also spot French and other European dishes that cater to Western customers. This is a good option for travelers who want to go out of their Agadir hotels and grab delicious food at half the price they pay at the hotel's in-house restaurants. If you bring along kids in your travels and you also want to enjoy their stay in Agadir, then head straight to the Valley of the Birds. More popularly known in the city as the Valley des Oiseaux, this town zoo hosts a number of interesting fauna ranging from exotic birds to adorable mammals like llamas. Again, if you are tight in budget yet craving for a summer vacation filled with thrills and frills, then the Valley des Oiseaux is the perfect attraction to explore. The entrance fee to this small zoo is about 3 dirhams for kids and 5 dirhams for adults. See, it won't definitely spoil your budget and can get your kids to do more than just building sand castles or playing frisbee in the city beach. This Agadir attraction is just a few minutes' ride from the Agadir beach proper, and if you're lucky enough to have booked in one of the strategically situated Agadir hotels, then you can get there faster. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and feel free to subscribe for more videos.